We're going to start off our tool video with some super cool items from Tonic Studios. This first item is the Nuvo dual-tipped blender brush. This has two in a pack, and as you can see, they are dual-tipped. This works best with your thicker mediums as to blend in with colors, and you can also use this with gilding flakes and much more. These other two are precision blending brushes. This is a 2-pack and this is a 4-pack. So these are wider brushes to use with your inks, and these are smaller detail brushes to use with your inks as well. Perfect for blending colors. Next to show you is the brand new Tonic Studios deco trimmer by Holtz. This is an 8.5-inch torn edge trimmer that gives you that awesome effect that you're looking for. Now I'm going to demo this trimmer for you, and you should know it works with paper and cardstock. It has a 6-inch ruler at the top and the bottom, and a 1/4-inch grid pattern with popular design size markings, along with this paper guard that protects your fingers and prevents any unwanted paper movement. So I'm going to use some 49 and market paper here. I'm going to lift up the trimmer arm and stick my paper underneath the glide at the top here at the 6-inch mark, and I'm going to push down, and you'll see I've got that perfectly torn edge, very similar to what you would get if you just torn the paper to get the effect, but this cuts it precisely and you don't get any of the white parts of the paper. For some smaller and easier to access tools, this is the Nuvo blending brushes pack of 3. It has the same tips as the Nuvo dual tipped brushes, just easier and quicker to access, and you can swap up the colors more often. And here is the Nuvo blending daubers with these swappable foam pads at the top. That again is a pack of 3. And this is the brand new Nuvo large blending brush that has a very large area to work with, and it has a cute little storage area for it. Here's some more interesting products from Nuvo. This is the Light Mist spray bottle. It comes with 2 spray bottles in there for your mixed media fun. This is a Nuvo Aquaflow water brushes that comes with 2 water brushes to fill up with water and work on your watercolor. This is the Nuvo Glitter Mister Spray Bottle. You put your ultrafine glitter in here, you turn the nozzle to unlock it and pump it to perfectly give that coat of glitter that you're looking for on your project. And this is the Nuvo Stamp Cleaning Solution for cleaning your stamps when soap and water just won't do it. Some more cool items from Tonic Studios. Here is the Holtz retractable craft pick. This is super cool for getting through chipboard or clay or papers. It can extend up to 1.25 inches, and you can put it in the little slots, how far you want it to go. This is the Holtz paper distresser. So you could put your fingers around the rubber end and you wrap the rest of the paper distresser in your hand, and you use all of these edges to distress the edges of your paper real easily. This is a pack from Tonic Studios that includes that same paper distresser, just in a different color. Here's a little lanyard if you want to keep it in a safe spot. And here's also another cutting tool that is good for ribbon and other fabrics or textiles. And it also includes a lanyard. And I also have the Holtz 5-inch mini snips. These are my favorite. They have a super soft handle right here, and they're easy to access and use.
Our next round of tools includes some other Nuvo fun products. Here we have the nylon stencil brushes. These are great for all kinds of mediums, but I especially love using these on stencils. They're great for covering large areas, so those are super fun. Here we have some more nylon brushes. These are a bit smaller. I use these more for watercoloring, and the smaller brushes are great for detailing. And next we have these media spatulas. I really love these. I use these for my paste, my thicker paste when I'm using them, and they're great for using them over stencils as well. And lastly, we have this surface sweeper. I love keeping this just in my pencil jar or somewhere handy, and this will get the excess glitter off of my desk. Super fun. Our last set of tools from Tonic Studios are our stamping blocks. I really love these stamping blocks because they have the grid on them, so I know that my stamp is straight when I stamp it down. Here we have our larger stamping block and our mini stamping block. Another awesome brand with some cool tools we want to share with you is Ranger. Here we're going to start with the 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐬𝐬 Mini Make Art Station. You may have seen the larger art station, but this is a mini station, great for other cards and small projects. It includes 4 magnets and a ruler inside, super cool. And here we have the 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐬𝐬 Make Art non-stick craft sheet. This is just a smaller version of the large one. This is also great for storing in smaller places and just taking on the go. And lastly, we have a newer alcohol ink blower. This is great for alcohol inks, doing it on maybe some alcohol ink paper. And instead of using a straw or maybe just your breath, this is great for just squeezing it and just moving those colors around beautifully. Some more fun tools from Ranger. You can see right here, we're going to start with the Distress Embossing Dauber. Now this is just like the Distress Embossing Pad, but it's a smaller version. So this is great for other small areas and you have more control of where to put the distressing ink. So that's awesome. Next, we have these mini ink blending tools. I really enjoy these because they come with the extra pad, so you don't have to buy extra. And I love the handle on them. It gives you some good control as well. And here is a nice 6-inch bone folder. Just want to keep your back pocket anytime you need it. Super fun. And lastly, we just have some more brushes, which are great just to have handy at any time. Again, for watercolor or any kind of other media project. Now from another one of our favorite brands, we have Diamond Dotz. And here is the Dotz light board. This is a 9 1/4 by 13-inch light board. It has 3 dimmable touch controls, USB powered, and it is slim and very lightweight to take with you on the go. I really love this product because you can do any project on top of it, which will help lighten up every project. Another cool Diamond Dotz tool is the Dottifier. This is a hands-free dotting aid that has 4 different interchangeable magnifying lenses that are great for seeing your projects up close. Our last set of tools we have from Diamond Dotz are these awesome styluses. Here we have a 2-pack stylus that have some fun finger grippers on them that are great for controlling where you're putting your beads. Or we also have a big pack of them that are great for other projects to do with friends. And along with those, we have a big pack of trays that are great as well. And here we have some paintbrushes by Diamond Dotz that are just great for any mixed media project. So here we have the brand new paper glazes by Picket Fence. These are very beautiful pearly mediums. So we're going to run through the names right quick and then we're going to show a demo. So here we have Boysenberry. It's a very pretty dark purple. Here we have Peony Pink. Next we have Golden Rose. That's a very pretty gold. Here's a really pretty white. This is called Snowdrop White. Cute. Next we have Artemisia Silver. Really pretty silver. Next we have this darker brown. It's called Brown Dahlia. And there is a hint of gold in there. You see a little bit. And here's our black. It's called Black Pansy. Here is Ocean Poppy. That's a really pretty blue. Next you have this dark turquoise called Jade Vine. Here's a pretty olive color called Fern Green. There's some gold in that one as well. Here we have Succulent Green. A little bit of turquoise in there. And here's a really pretty green called Leaf Green. Next we have Daffodil Yellow. It's a really pretty yellow. And lastly, we have Marigold Orange. And we're going to go ahead and demo these for you. So I'm going to demo these 4 right here. And here I have my Tonic stencil. This is actually called the Dreamy Daisy stencil, just to let you know what that one was. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Ocean Poppy Blue. Now this is a very smooth medium and it's very, very pigmented. You can see how easy it is just to get it out of there. It's not chunky or anything. So I just need just a little itsy bitsy tiny bit because this also goes a very long way. And we're just going to start in this corner up here. And I'm just going to swipe down, fill in those spaces and swipe down. Add a little bit more. You don't want to put too much. All right, I think that's good for that color. And that's our Ocean Poppy. It's a really pretty blue. Okay, next I'm going to use this Succulent Green. Going to go in with that. Again, just start with a little bit. I'm going to go right next to that blue. Another great thing about these glazes is that they mix very well. I'm going to go ahead and ombre that in between those just a little bit. You don't get that mushy brown colors and you try to blend your colors. So that's fabulous. So just ombre a little bit and that'll be a nice pretty blend in between the two. I think I'm going to go in with the pink next to that Succulent Green. So here we have our Peony Pink. I'm going to go right next to that Succulent Green. And again, I'm going to blend right in the middle of them too. Just keep scraping down. If you put a thin layer, as if you were doing a stencil, it will only take about 15 minutes to dry, so that's good too. That's about the average for most mediums, so that's fabulous. And next we're going to go in with our last color, Boysenberry. Again, it's a darker purple. A very nice color. And I'm just going to go here at the bottom. I put a little bit more so I can feel maybe this bottom. This is a really pretty purple. For all my purple fanatics out there, you'll love this purple. And again, I kind of want to mix it in with that pink up there. And I think I'm actually going to go in with the silver just to fill up that other corner. So here's the silver, our 𝐒𝐬𝐧𝐬𝐴 silver. This is a great color as well. You always need a silver. We're just going to go down there in that bottom corner and mix in with that blue and with the purple over here. All right, so now we're going to take our stencil up. And look how pretty those blended together. Let's get a closer look at that. Super cute how all those blended a little better. And those were the glazes by Picket Fence. And some more cool tools from Pink and Main include this 3.5-inch round stamping block. I really love this one, just like the Tonic one, because it again has lines on it, but this one's different. It has these waves on the end that allow you to really hold on to the stamping block, which is awesome. And next we have these fairly new ergonomic blender brushes. I really enjoy these. We saw the Nuvo one earlier, which was fairly similar when it had the bristles on the top, which are great for blending inks and other mixed medias. And it just clicks back in there for easy storage. And if you're not set for the big one, we do have a smaller one, which is super cute in my opinion. And this is great for other detail projects. And they're very, very soft. And an easy way to clean these blending brushes is with this Scrub It Clean stamp cleaning cloth. There's 2 in each pack, and just add some water to it. And then if you rub your blending brush on it, then that ink will just come right off. Super fun.
Another great product from Picket Fence is the sequin mixes. They are so adorable and they come in the cutest containers. These are great for shaker cards and other embellishment projects. So here is the first one. This is candy corn shots. Lots of fun different colors in that one. Next I have holiday hopper. Beautiful. This is Witch's Brew. These are such fun names for these fun sequins. Witch's Brew. This is Christmas Punch. And I love this clear top, so you get to play with the sequins while they're still in their package. This is Irish Coffee. Nice. Here is Purple People Eater. That will look really good with that purple paper glaze we just saw. Here is Mermaid Water. This one is a top seller. And our other top seller, Gin and Tonic. That's a fun silver sequin case. And you're going to want to store these in your Picket Fence sequin mix container. This is a storage solution for these sequin mixes. So I can put these in here and line them up. So I have all of my colors lined up. They won't roll away, and I get to see them all at once if I'm working on a project. So those were our Picket Fence sequin mixes and our storage display.
Our last thing from Picket Fence is the Slim Line Die Cutting System die cut set. This is a super cool project. As you can see here, there are over 256 designs that you can do. If you look down here at the bottom, that's just a cute little example of what you could do with this. But if you see here, there's all kinds of different designs. You got some trees and other stuff that you could do many different things with it.
All right, our last variety of tools I'd like to show you is our favorite Fiskars Sure-Cut trimmer. We love this trimmer because it has a wire in the middle that shows you exactly where you're going to slide your cutter. That is super cool, and it does have an extension arm. So that's the Fiskars Sure-Cut trimmer. Next, I have the Zap heat tool. This is a very reliable heat gun, and it's pink, so super cool. I also have the Pixie Spray. This is perfect for holding down your stencils. If you don't want to use washi tape, maybe the washi tape tears up your paper. This you can spray on the back to hold your stencil down to your paper temporarily because it's light tack, and you'll be able to pull your stencil back up. That is super cool. I have here a super nice doily punch. Makes it easy to make those beautiful background doilies that you want to have on your projects. And my very last thing here is our favorite glue, the Art Glitter Dries Clear Glue. It is also available in a 4-ounce bottle along with its metal tip that also has a little holding container.